Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at iZotope's RX Elements, an audio repair plugin designed to tackle common sound issues. This isn't just a set of plugins, it also includes a standalone audio editor. This editor is quite powerful because it allows you to visualize your audio, giving you a spectral view. This means you can see the different frequencies and sounds as a kind of picture, which enables very precise and accurate edits directly on the waveform. It's like being able to surgically remove unwanted noises. Beyond the standalone editor, RX Elements comes with 4 essential real-time noise reduction plugins. The great thing about these is that you can use them directly inside your favorite digital audio workstation, which is super convenient for your workflow. One of the key functions these plugins handle is noise reduction. It's specifically tuned to work well with vocals and dialogue, which is crucial for podcasters, video creators, and anyone working with spoken word. It's designed to reduce unwanted background noise, whether that noise is a steady hum or something more evolving and changing over time. But it's not just about background noise. RX Elements also helps you clean up audio in other ways. It can repair digital and analog clipping artifacts, which is fantastic for restoring audio that was recorded too loud and became distorted. It also tackles other common annoyances like hums, those low-frequency electrical noises, as well as clicks and even mouth noises that can be distracting in recordings. It provides tools to make your audio sound much cleaner and more professional. iZotope, the company behind RX Elements, is known for their passion for audio and developing innovative products that aim to inspire creativity and enable people to achieve better sound quality. This plugin suite definitely fits that description, offering powerful tools to fix common audio problems and restore recordings that might otherwise be unusable. It provides a solid foundation for anyone needing to clean up their audio effectively.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.